You know what's funny about small talk? That every connection you've ever had started with small talk, even your closest friendships. Here's the truth. The easiest way to do that is something simple. Active observation. Just pay attention. Their shirt, their coffee, the way they're acting. Then make a comment on it. Not a boring question like, "What are you doing?" That puts pressure on them. Instead, say something like, "That book looks like it's been through a lot." Now it's light, natural, and easy to respond to. Because people don't want to be interviewed. They just want to feel seen. And when you notice small details, it shows you're actually present. That alone makes you stand out. You don't need confidence. You don't need perfect words. Just notice. And say it. Sometimes they'll respond. Sometimes they won't. That's fine. The goal isn't to force conversation. It's to open the door. And the more you do this, the easier it gets. Small talk stops feeling awkward and starts feeling natural. So next time you're around someone, don't overthink it. Just notice something. Say it and see where it goes.